How to set deposit limits for responsible gaming on bet365. Now, setting deposit limits on bet365 is a great way to control your spending and promote responsible gaming. In order to do so, first of all, launch the bet365 application and just make sure to log into your account. After you've done that, you want to simply tap on the profile icon, which will be located at the top right hand side after you make sure to log in. Then over there you can simply select the responsible gaming option from the menu. Then from there you want to simply look for deposit limits or set a deposit limit section. You can decide how much you want to limit yourself per day, per week, or on a monthly basis. Then you can enter the amount you wish to set as your maximum deposit within the chosen time frame. This way you can set deposit limit for responsible gaming on bet365. I hope that this video has helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.